attempting chimps if you don't have the tier 4s for this, but like... Okay, so we're gonna start doing brambles. I really have nothing to talk about here. Get double shot. Okay, now we'll get an alchemist here. Upgrade to 200. That should help us deal with lads. So now we'll upgrade this ninja. I mean, I should have said that earlier, but like... So basically, we're going to be super buffing this ninja. I mean, you might not have any of the tier 5s listening to this video, but like... We're basically only going to be using one tier 5 in this video, so if you don't have it, that's... So if round 40 is difficult for you, make sure you use your hero ability. I mean, you don't have to pick Obyn. Obyn's just gonna buff this ninja a bit. No. Okay, so just keep placing these types of ninjas until you have 20 or literally cannot place any more where this ninja's in range of them. Make sure you leave, well, the space next to the alchemist open. We're gonna do something later. Okay, if the ninjas are slightly out of range, make sure to get ninja discipline on these.
My girlfriend and I brought the popular game Go Fish to Pokemon. Now let me explain. We each pick 6 incredibly strong Pokemon and put them in our party as kind of our Go Fish camp. We will then take turns giving a description that could fit multiple different Pokemon. And if any of our Pokemon in our party match that description, we give them that Pokemon to add to their team. If they're wrong, they have to go fish in a PC box that are filled with some not so good Pokemon. We have 6 rounds to build a full team of 6, and we have a battle. Alright,
could you turn that down?
Here, you got a Pokemon weak to ice? Are we talking partially? Are we talking fully? You are a Poketuber, you need to learn your typings. I really don't want to keep you either. But that's just the name of the game. It is Go Fish. Honestly, I'm kind of down. I'm sure you are. Yeah, I'm just gonna run it back. You have a Pokemon that's currently in Pokemon Unite. I have 2. 3? Oh my god. I have 3. Yeah, yes, I am. Do you believe? You're just gonna go balls to the walls and not ask if it's in a category anymore? There's 8 of them. Yeah, do you have any illusion? Yeah. There's the one time I put one on my face. That's not bad. Alright, okay.
Okay, now we're gonna place a village. Okay, once you're out of range, put a village. If you can, place it right here. And if you can place a ninja here somehow, then do it. But I don't think you can. Okay, this round might be difficult. That's why you have Obyn. If you didn't have the strat, you'd have to rely on the... If you didn't have Obyn, you might have to rely on, So you want to keep this trees up, if possible. Because this will hold any extra income that you may have. Well, it won't give you extra income, but it'll give you income. Okay, looks like I may not be able to fit 20 of these on this map. At least in the placement I did. This strategy works for almost any map. But, like, you need to be able to place 20 on them. For some of them. Is that in range? It might not be. Yeah, that's not in range. I'll maybe put a village down there just to give range to my other village. You can do that too, but like, you prefer not to waste extra money. Okay, we have 20 now. If I could place a ninja here, that'd be really good. Now you can do one of two things here. Save up for Grandmaster, which if you don't have, you might want to get an overclock. Personally, I'm going to save up for Grandmaster. Like I said, if you don't have it, get this if you have it. This overclock. I don't have a good editing software, so if things don't make sense because of the video, just let you know that. I am fully transparent. Okay, so you might want to get this MIB. You gotta get this MIB early, because if you can't afford it by round 90, yeah, this ninja ain't gonna help you. Obyn might be able to pull something off, but like, if you don't have Obyn, you're pretty much done. So, I have nothing to talk about here, so let's talk about why this strategy works. I'm going to turn on auto start. So, this buff, the Shinobi Tactics, increases Pierce and Ninja and attack speed of ninjas. So, the attack speed is, I think, additive, and the Pierce is multiplicative, or something like that. What I do know is it's like, something like, 4.16 more attack speed, but 20x more Pierce. Or something like that. This Alchemist really is only used for early game because it's being overworked. It's buffing pretty much anything. In fact, I think it will prefer these two Shinobis over this ninja. And even if it probably would buff this Shinobi as well. So, round 84 gives a lot of money, so this is generally when you want to afford your tier 5s. Ignore that.
This guy's everywhere. Go and make sure and subscribe. This is an infinite void left block. And for the next 100 days, I'm kind of going to be stuck on this block. Oh no, I'm ready to run.
Okay, so we're pretty much done here. So if you're a don't feeling confident, you can always get an overclock, like I'm doing here, just to secure your win even more. This is a good sign since these trees have been up since like 63. Not even. That means you're doing really well. Just prepare to spend your extra money on things that you think will help you win, like a Sabo, an overclock, a call to arms. Let's get a Sabo for round 99 because I think that'll be a bit even remotely challenging. We'll get another Sabo because round 100. And now you know to be, what is this? Meadow chimps. Thank you for stopping by, and, yeah.